throughout the body. Okay, from the lungs, the blood picks up a supply of oxygen and is pumped into the left atrium, down through the left ventricle, where the oxygen is pumped back out through the body. Okay, blood that needs oxygen returns back through the right atrium to the right ventricle, where it's pumped through the lungs to pick up another supply of oxygen. Okay. The tricuspid valve lies between the right atrium and the right ventricle. The chordae tendineae is attached by at the right ventricle end. This valve permits or allows blood to move from the right atrium to the right ventricle. Okay, the bicuspid or mitral valve prevents blood flow back into the left atrium from the left ventricle. Or from the ventricle, excuse me. All right, and then the pulmonary valve is at the base of the pulmonary artery, or pulmonary trunk. This valve allows blood to leave the right ventricle and prevents backflow from the ventricular chamber. All right, and then the aortic valve, which is right here, is at the base of the aorta. It has 3 cusps. This valve opens and allows blood to leave the left ventricle as it contracts. All right, so we have the right atrium and the left atrium. These have thin walls and receive blood returning to the heart. All right, we have our superior vena cava and our inferior vena cava. The right atrium receives blood from these. And then the aorta, which is the large artery, it's at the base of the aorta is the aortic valve. This has 3 cusps. And without our heart, we would not be able to live, basically. So, very important. So make sure everybody keeps a healthy heart. And that's it.
Very good.